Yoga can do more than just relax your body and mind, especially if you're living with diabetes. Certain poses may help lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels while also improving circulation, which is why many experts recommend yoga for diabetes management. Here are 5 yoga poses that help manage sugar levels and lead an overall healthy life. Viparita Karani or legs up the wall pose. This restorative inversion pose allows for relaxation. This helps lower stress levels, which may in turn help lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It can also help relieve headaches, boost energy, and increase circulation. Remain in this pose for 5 to 15 minutes. Release by slowly sliding your legs down to the side. Supta Baddha Konasana or reclining butterfly pose. This asana can help calm your nervous system and reduce your stress levels, which may help lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It's also thought to stimulate the abdominal organs, bladder, and kidneys. Stay in this pose for up to 10 minutes. To release, use your hands to lift and press your knees together and sit all the way up. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana or upward facing dog. This stimulating back bend requires a lot of muscular strength. The asana assists in lowering blood pressure, boosts circulation, and promotes weight loss. It also stimulates the abdominal organs. Remain in this pose for up to 1 minute. Ardha Matsyendrasana or half Lord of the Fishes pose. This twisting pose stimulates the abdominal organs, which may help lower blood sugar. It's also thought to improve digestion and boost your energy levels. Hold this pose for up to 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. Balasana or child's pose. This resting pose encourages relaxation, which helps promote the production of insulin-producing beta cells. It also helps relieve pain in the back and neck. Remain in this pose for up to 5 minutes. Release by lifting yourself up into a seated position. These were 5 yoga poses to help manage blood sugar levels. Practicing yoga on a regular basis can help improve your overall well-being and in turn manage your diabetes. Begin with a short practice of 10 minutes per day and work your way up from there. Maintain a healthy lifestyle.